guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply funny facial expressions to your videos in CapCut PC. Select your video and go to effects. Just going to put this down, go to body effects, and you're going to then press on the name again, and you're going to go to funny faces, and they have 4. They have this one, which is the gorilla face. Let's just play that. And then they also have this embarrassed face one. Okay, I did not put it there. Oh, there we go. Apparently it didn't really detect this face. Okay, it did. And then we also have this big head one, like so. It just kind of zooms in on the face area. And we also have this one, which is my favorite. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!